for this project, we are going to end up painting all 12 of those colors in these areas. So we're going to have the first 6 colors here, and then the second set of 6 colors here. So then we'll end up painting and be able to paint all of those 12 colors that we are learning about. Now for this project, I'm calling it 6-7. And we're calling it that because to create these 6 different spaces, you need 7 different lines. So everybody, let's say it together. 6-7. When you are starting out, you're going to get your pencil, and from one side of your paper all the way to the other side of the paper, you're just going to draw a very simple wave of a line. So you don't want a loopy-loop line. You do not want to do this or make it, really tiny waves, just a really big wave. And then you're going to draw 6 more lines to get those 7 lines for the 6 different colors. So right underneath it, you're going to try to follow that same line. And I'm just having my arm rest on the table as I draw that line. So again, I'm holding my pencil towards the end. I'm not drawing it like this, which I'm drawing tiny details. It's really sketchy, so I kind of hold my pencil at the very end, and I rest my hand on the paper, and I'm going to try to follow that same direction of that line where it goes up, down, and if it's not perfect, that's okay. And don't try to go too slow. Kind of almost the faster you do it, the better it flows. So I've done 1, 2, 3, 4. We need 7 lines, so we need to draw 3 more. If you can see, I kind of had to go off the page a little, so you don't see that full line, but I imagined if it did continue, it would have gone here and then back up the paper. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 spaces and 7 lines. So we're going to repeat that whole step, but we're going to start with a whole different line, and it's not going to go over this, it's going to go under it. So I'm imagining if I continued my line, you can even, draw a really light line, or just continue your pencil but lift up a little as you're going over it. But you do not want the lines to go over this section. You're going to go under it. So I've got 1, 2, 3. Again, we need 7 different lines for the 6 different spaces. So I want you to be able to see that, if I was going to draw one more line at the bottom down here, I really wouldn't have much space for that last one, so I decided to draw one in front instead because I would have more space for that. So after you draw your 6 spaces, and you have to draw 7 lines to get the 6 spaces, we are going to draw 6 or 7 different circles that go over some of those lines. So I'm going to get my circle tracer and I'm going to draw 6 or 7 different circles.